How many times did you pick up your phone today without even realizing it? Today we are talking about something every single one of us struggles with: mindless scrolling. And today you are going to learn how to talk about it in English. Read along with me. Every day we pick up our phones without thinking. We scroll through pictures, we watch videos, we read things we will forget in 5 minutes. And before we know it, an hour has passed. Sometimes 2. We tell ourselves we will stop in a minute, but that minute never comes. This is called mindless scrolling, and it is quietly stealing the most valuable thing we have: our time. Now let us break down the key phrases from that passage. Phrase 1, without thinking. Without thinking means doing something automatically without making a conscious decision. Example: I picked up my phone without thinking and suddenly an hour was gone. Phrase 2, before we know it. Before we know it means something happened so fast you did not even notice. Example: before we know it, we have spent 2 hours doing nothing productive. Phrase 3, mindless scrolling. Mindless scrolling means looking through your phone without any purpose or goal, just scrolling for the sake of scrolling. Example: mindless scrolling makes us feel busy but empty at the same time. Phrase 4, quietly stealing. Quietly stealing means something is taking something away from you slowly and silently without you noticing. Example: mindless scrolling is quietly stealing our time, our focus, and our peace. Now think about your own day. How many times did you open Instagram without a reason? How many times did you pick up your phone just to put it back down and pick it up again? We all do it. It is not about willpower. It is about awareness. The moment you notice it, you can change it. One less scroll today, one more page read, one more word learned. That is how it starts. Now I want to ask you something honest. Do you relate to this? Drop one of these in the comments. Yes, I scroll without thinking every single day. Sometimes I catch myself doing it occasionally. No, I have already broken this habit. Be honest, there is no wrong answer. If you want to learn powerful English phrases that actually relate to your real life every single day, subscribe to Read Up Daily right now. Tomorrow we have a brand new topic, a brand new passage, and brand new phrases waiting for you. Do not miss it. This is Read Up Daily, one word at a time. See you tomorrow.